Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of diseases. So let's see. Number 1, fever. Fever. Fever means জ্বর. Fever means জ্বর. Number 2, cough. Cough. It will be pronounced cough. Cough means kashi. Cough means kashi. Number 3, cold. Cold. Cold means ঠান্ডা. Cold means ঠান্ডা. Number 4, sneezing. Sneezing. Sneezing means hachi. Sneezing means hachi. Number 5, easing. Easing. Here T letter is silent. Easing means chulkani. Easing means chulkani. Okay viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. Bye.